Welcome to a calm beginning and a sense of belonging. Today's affirmation invites you to remember connection. I am woven into the fabric of all that is. It is easy to feel separate, to believe you stand apart from life, carrying your experiences alone. This sense of isolation can create tension and distance, even when others are near. This affirmation gently dissolves that separation. To be woven into the fabric of existence means you are part of something continuous, like threads in a tapestry. Each strand contributes to the whole. No single thread carries the entire design, yet each is essential. When you allow this perspective to settle, loneliness begins to soften. You realize that your breath connects you to the air shared by all, your body stands upon ground that supports countless lives, your experiences are part of a larger unfolding. This does not erase individuality, it deepens it. You are unique, yet inseparable from the greater pattern. When you feel this, the need to prove yourself fades. Belonging becomes natural rather than earned. As your day unfolds, let this affirmation meet you when you feel disconnected, when you feel small or unseen. Pause. Remember that threads are not visible on their own, yet they hold everything together. Here's your daily habit for today. Pause once today and acknowledge one way you are connected to something beyond yourself. Carry these companion affirmations with you. I belong within the greater whole, and connection surrounds and sustains me. Thank you for beginning your day with inspiration and choosing belonging over separation. May today remind you that you are always part of something larger than you can see. Win the morning, win the day,